Hello, Ramune. How are you? I hope you're doing well. This is Charles Marine from your local SEO professionals. It's a small company I started to help small businesses build their own online presence and therefore attract clients. As we all know, about 90% of adults use Google search when they're looking for local services or local businesses, and 70% of those actually click on the first page. So, for example, if I'm looking for Dallas real estate, 70% of people will click on this page and will not even go to the second page. So that's why it's important for your website to be visible here on the first page. And that's why I'm making this video, to give you a few tips to just analyze your website and look at your competitors and give you a few tips to help you rank your site. All right, so I don't want to waste any more of your time. Let me get started. I want to talk about three main things. They are content, citations, and backlinks. Content, citations, and backlinks. So let's start with content. Now, content on your website is everything I've tried to highlight here. Everything in blue. That means all the text you can see, all the pictures, how the pictures are saved. For example, this image here of your logo, it's saved as this name here, as you can see, URE logo white. All this is part of your content. Now, to optimize most with Google, you need to have about 1,000 to 1,500 words of text that is authoritative, saying what you do, where your locations are, explaining exactly what services you provide, so that Google knows to put this in front of whoever is looking for your services. Also, sprinkled all throughout and saturated your text should have these keywords. And let's say I was searching for Dallas real estate agencies, or Dallas real estate agency. This is known as a keyword. This is what someone types in when they're actually looking for a service that they need, especially location specific. But it could also be nationally, meaning if I didn't have Dallas there and I just had real estate agency, that's a national keyword. So to optimize your site, once again, 1,000 to 1,500 words saturated with good keywords, and you need to probably do a little bit of keyword research to see what people are searching for, and so that you can include that on your website, so that Google knows, all right, I should put this website in front of this person. So that's it for content. Oh, actually, one last thing about the images. Also, they should be saved as keywords so that you can rank better, so that Google knows that your site is authoritative within this service. Okay, moving on, let's move to citations. Now, for citations, I'm gonna need to go over to my Google search so that I can better explain. So let's say I'm searching for real estate agency in Dallas, Texas. This is something. This is the keyword someone would typically type in, and let's search for this. All right. So first you have your Google ads that show up top here. Google ads are always hit or miss. You can see it says sponsored here. They're always hit or miss because sometimes, especially as time goes on, more and more people are getting ad blockers, and so if you're like these people here who've advertised here, they're missing out on a lot of the market who actually have ad blockers on their devices. Okay, so citations has to do with this next section here called the map pack. You have your map and 3 businesses here. If you click view all, you'll see more and more businesses, and you can tell that this is location specific. There are also some 2 ads up here. So how do you rank on this map pack? How do you rank better here? Well, it comes down to citations. citations prove your location authority. Now, by citations, I mean wherever your business name, address, and phone number is cited in different directories across the web. The more the directories and the better, the more reputable the directories, the stronger you will rank here in the map pack. Directories, by directories I mean directories like Yext, Dexnose, Google, LinkedIn, Yelp, Better Business Bureau, whitepages.com, superpages.com, yellowpages.com, etc. All these directories. So it's pretty easy to rank here. There are various tools out there that you can buy which can help you find whatever citations your competitors have. So it's pretty easy to actually make sure your citations are in those directories. But not only that, you need to double or triple the number of citations that your biggest competitors have so you stay on top of the map pack. Below the map pack here is what's known as the organic search listings. And this has to do with the third thing I want to talk about, which are backlinks. Now, if you think of the internet as a whole collection of web pages all linked together, a backlink would be a link on a different web page that points to your web page, directing traffic towards you. So, for example, if there's a real estate forum in California and they put out an article or a blog post with your link on their website directing people towards you, that's a backlink. Now, not all backlinks are the same because like a real estate forum, Google sees that as you're in the same business or the same services. So it counts as more authoritative. But however, think of if Pizza Hut was linking towards you guys. It's a completely different business and a different service. So Google will probably see that as a little bit of spam and not rank that as a authoritative backlink. I have a tool called Arefs, which helps me analyze different websites. This tool is a popular tool. A lot of people have it, and I took the liberty of putting in your website, your direct website, and I can tell that your domain strength is pretty strong on the scale from 0 to 100, meaning your domain is strong, and I figured out why. It's mostly because your domain is unitedrealestatedallas.com, and their site has been established for a long time. It's got a lot of backlinks, and it has a lot of organic keywords. So because you're a subdomain from that, that's why your domain is strong. However, your URL, your site itself, is not too strong on a scale of 0 to 100. Anyway, that's easy to fix. I can see your backlinks here, and you're not ranking right now for any organic keyword. So if we increase the number of keywords on your site, remember having enough content with keywords sprinkled all throughout. And working on these citations and building up these backlinks, that will strengthen your website and rank you higher and higher in Google, and you'll be able to beat your competitors. Now, the keyword I searched for, if you remember, it was real estate agency Dallas, Texas. And I get all these websites here. I'm going to grab the top one on the map pack and put them into the tool. And let's just have a quick overview of their site. This is one of your competitors. So you can tell here they have a ton of backlinks, strong strength. The domain strength is not that strong, but they're ranking for very, very many keywords. Remember how I said not all backlinks are the same? You can tell from a scale of 0 to 100, most of their backlinks are in the 0 to 10 percentile. So, range. So therefore, you necessarily don't need as many backlinks. You do need many, but not as many. However, if you have higher quality backlinks, that will help Google recognize your authority over the site. So let's take a look at their keywords that they're ranking for, and you can see, I want to show you, yes, real estate agent Dallas. About 60 people search for that, every month. They're 24th, so that they have almost zero traffic, because 24th would mean either the third or fourth page in Google. However, if you look at real estate agent near me, about 4,200 people search for that every month. They're position 29. They don't get that much traffic, almost 1% per month. However, I'm showing you this to make you understand that for certain keywords, the volume that searches for them per month, if you rank well with them, with these keywords, you'll get a lot more traffic. Now, I had searched for real estate agency Dallas, Texas. I can put it into the tool, real estate agency Dallas, Texas, and you can see about 300 people search for it every month. If I divide it up by domains to see what traffic people get, 67 people go on average per month go to realtor.com, etc., etc. Briggs Freeman gets 14 people. So the stronger your website is, the better content you have, the more citations you have, you'll start to rank, and the more keywords you have, you'll start to rank better for certain keywords, and you're able to grab a lot of this traffic. Depending on your conversion rate, it will probably get you, towards the goal that you need faster. All right, thank you very much, Ramune. Once again, my name is Charles Marine. Here's a picture of me. I am with Your Local SEO Professional. My email is charles@yourlocalseopros.com. My phone number is up here. Take these hints. If you don't want to move forward with me and partner together, that's no harm, no foul. Give them to your website people or your SEO person, and hopefully you will start to have more and more clients. One last thing I wanted to mention, I noticed at the end here, at the bottom here, you had more websites. And if you'd like to talk about different ideas you can do for all these other websites, I'm more than willing to. Thank you once again, Ramune. It's been a pleasure. Take care. All the best.